ensem ena wo so esi anopay
Kurobia Zante Kotoko Hene Santimawura wode afuturo akọ amanananom
Abusia ensemini afoforo bia eka ho ena anopay yede eba besom se no siabrem kase ebo e Sompa TV so brekro na no Woti enka ewo Sompa 93.1 kasafidie so eno ewo Asante mantem kropo kumasemo wode wani chiremu ewo bro mantem a eye sunyo ne Sompa 98.9 ena bono epoye mantem so ye wura ho nkranza Sompa 90.7 wonum nyina kan ye ho ena no pay yesi nkonwa ye de ensem ne baba somo eye anu wadom ye ewo social media platforms ne so Facebook no eye Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube no eye Sompa TV Twitter eye Sompa TV /Sompa FM TFA online so wabra wo www.sompaonline.com and sending in other bete na wasa akenke bi e de free ho anope mo pesmaka fo eye mienu medi de ohene yire ma me akua yeboa asiama no pa mini nua bema o
say yaw aboaje oforisu
afe yen shase ntutu ensem ne srani abasa emfa mamo ne ye shase de ane ye shase e de free Ghana nyankopon ya dom no de cheyen na bone bia anto ye na fimpi mienu ne aduonu na bato kase ye de yanim na eno ho nsem e ya de asore ene e free bra MPP amanyokoi wonum ekoyi wo mu franka tuni no enipa dodo na esi amemo ne beko we si ebeko B we si ebeko C na sesi ade ne de aba betom so no kokora ya yakotofoforo beton nso mo no eya wode wani echirem ewo UK abrochimemu a ekuo mienu bi ye ba hwehwemu a wonum abepa wom ene pepi na no ya wonton fom so okase we ena ebeba no a ena ya na esie na sa ekuo yi ena wonum ene Economics Intelligence Unit EIU ena Fitch Solutions wonum edi atodwa sa Nyankopon ya adomo a 2024 abatuo no enya nwanwasa bemon be friend pipi amanyoko nsem na kwakodi NDC chire batan enso ede no ensem na enyina so ya wonum de gina so kan semi no ene sa wase wo hwa my Ghana mu hase no mu a asetena mu gina bie no ekofom ama sese Ghana fo dodo na epa wasene mu a anaso opa won ho a won ho wasene mu eno achi adwuma ho kwan eni ho ama sese mebunu ne nambankyere ya wonya adwuma enye ena de atwa to okrampo na ye nyina so wode ba we se no ene se wo kire se abanyuma ku ahodo no nsompo no dwumadie ye sefata se wodi ema ne bo wo man kyekire ye ene ye nkankro no enya ade a ye hu ne sa wase we nyina no ena ebenam so a NDC amanyokro Nyankopon ya adoma wono beji tumi no ede free MPP nsem na wonom de asem kuma bi to aso ya wo kire se fimpi mienu ne aduonu na abato no se Nyankopon ya adoma bi bre mu hase no no ene nkronkra na se oman dodo na inflation no ebetimi akofom na so no oba my Ghana mu hase nom anase Democratic Republic of Congo and Ethiopia Nigeria and Sudan inflation de 2024 ebe peja penti Ghana for enya krado ye Rasami Jamfi akasa de afasa nsem we sen we enkotie bimra.
Well, until victory is won, we will not be complacent. We will not be excited about any pool or prediction, however factual, credible, or refreshing that pool may be. Clearly, the forecast by Fitch Solutions and the Economic Intelligence Unit is a refreshing and encouraging prediction. That is how we are taking it. The real job is on the ground. We have about a year to the December 7, 2024 pool, and we are not going to allow this to get into our head and get complacent at all, because we know that winning 2024 is a Herculean task, and we need to lead. We need to do all it takes, leaving no stone unturned, to win, and not just win, but win resoundingly. And the reason why we have adopted this posture is because necessity is laid on us as a political party.
Abusia ye Rasami Jamfi na wono eye kitangudie bofotene edema NDC amanyoko no oche se ewom se ko no ede nsempa betodwa nanso no wonhwe ema wontirim nye de ewo sansam no obekonkoden apretumi no enkosi se enkonim abotie no ebeye wonom dia no enya ade a wonom eje wonom ahomeye to ansam no so
na nsem betodwa se Ghana kokobodo dwumakuo no sika samo kwatwe ede ma wo mu a woro ho a wo pe wo ho sika wode ebebo adwumakoi eho bran na ho ya din ye papa na nam so ama manfo dodo no a ɛna na ɛka sɛ koko wɔ adwuma ekuo paa ɛna sikasɛm ɛkɔ atwe ɛde ma wɔn ɛna mpo yɛtumi nya sika di firi wɔn hɔ ɛde sisi yɛ asopiti na ɛkwan kora ɛwɔ Ghana koko rose ahodoɔ a yɛyɔ wɔn ho fa sopuduo na esi dɛn na sika kɔnkɔ atwe ɛde ma wɔn na ho nsɛm akɔ ɛdagya ɛwɔ man mu na ɛnura da atadwe adwumakuo na te dɛnɛ mmarahyɛ badwafie sika puduo yɛde ama wɔn sɛ wɔn fa mmɔ adwumakuo yi ɛho bra na mpo mfie mpinu ne aduonu mmiɛnsa ne ɛnan wɔfa toto koko sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a adwumakuo yi ɛbɛtumi afa ne ntampa ɛde afira na abra a wɔda nsɛm wɔ nyina di ɛwɔ mmarahyɛ badwafie no panipa a wɔda committee no ano ɔno ne kwaku kwaten sei ɛna ɔda ne nsɛm adi.
And in the process, present your committee's report. The Speaker, the referral was in respect of the terms of a receivables-backed trade finance facility between the Ghana Cocoa Board and a consortium of banks and financial institutions with the government of the Republic of Ghana as guarantor for an amount of up to $800 million United States dollars to finance the purchase of cocoa for the 2023-2024 crop season by the Ghana Cocoa Board, and request for waiver of stamp duty amounting to up to the Ghana cedi equivalent of $4 million United States dollars on the receivables-backed trade finance facility between
Jemcheni Emma Committee ene kwaku kwaten wabra wukasa wiye ena mrashe bedwani Emma Desia ewo Bogatanga Central Isaac Adongo enso etatwo se hu behia so obenya sikapuduo na ode abo adwumakoi ehobra na empokura frase no 3.3 billion na Cocoa Board adwumakuo no eboka eno ti se hu hia se di sikai ema wo mo na etumi pagya adwuma no a enka bebo apa.
To borrow only 800 million because they feel that going for 1.5 billion or any higher figure will require that they lock in the entire output to be able to service this. And yet their estimates show that there's a likelihood that the government of Ghana through Cocoa Board could make more money by keeping some of the excess cocoa to be sold later at a higher price. Mr. Speaker, I say this because we have consistently been interested in only how Cocoa Board is going to pay the syndicated loan. Going forward, our focus should not be just on the amount of money that is required or the volume of cocoa that must be used to secure these loans, but the entire envelope of resources that will come to Cocoa Board.
Isaac Adongo wano na yebra shebe dwani ma adehia wo Bogatanga Central okasa wie yepe ena soafo wano ena hwe agriculture so brand a champon enso adi tu dwase si se anase se fata se ohwe Cocoa Board adwumakuo ya otumi eboka na ni nyina ene se bidam no ka na obo wo hu nyina da Ghana Cocoa Board ena na tua ema Ghana adehia empo cocoa rose ahodo nyina da ka ekodi mu no eye wo mo a enu ti no sikasam ko atwe a ese fata se se yeboa wo.
Stands with and will continue to stand with cocoa farmers, and it reflects in the pricing that this year we pay cocoa farmers from $800 to from 800 Ghana cedis per bag to. Mr. Speaker, yes, indeed, cocoa farmers, Cocoa Board was in crisis. The Cocoa Board was in crisis because Cocoa Board is paying for the lights to be on.
Brana champon ekasa wie yepe erikopo kwano na yemra shebedwani ma de hyewo asunafo south abato empeso aso ene o ka kire honorable members hu behia se omo nyina entachi na wo fa won sanhye sikayase na yemfa ema Cocoa Board adwumakuo no esansa ye mamenom ye papanom a omo donti no omo brepa
to approve this facility in the supreme interest of the cocoa farmers we represent in this house. Mr. Speaker, I'm saying that I'm urging this house to approve this facility in the supreme interest of the farmers we are representing. Mr. Speaker, I I am saying this because we are the representatives of the people. We own Cocoa. It is for the people of Ghana.
Arikopoku ono na ye mbrahye badwani emadesia ewo Sunafo South abato mpeso aso na asem okan ye nyina se honorable members obi amfa ne sanhyase for the sake of your mame ye papanom na empombrahye badwafo amoho no mudokoko na nyoma empagya ewo Cocoa board adwumakuo ni
Ebusiafo ye to ansam no so ede amamo na wode wani kiremo ewo ohwubo ko mienu bia no ewo mem hasenom ya baako any media coalition against Galamsey ya baako so ene eye pressure group I friend say occupy Ghana no wonom aka wonom entam abom ya wonom etrese wo hwe nansan efoma gudie tuo bia enkofo bi tu ewo kwanbone so enam so nti aban yi ba ye wose wode tabono atosa ne ma ne nyina so non so no enipa bi afakwati kwan so eye no wache no wose enya de a enokrampo no etimi bo wo meyi ye kwi adwuma ho nsem ene ewiemu ensakere ahodo ye wose etimi bo aye no wose ne nyina mu krampo no ebi eye wese no enka wo ye ne pete mu anka ha adwen na mmom no wode wani ekyerɛkyerɛ mu ewo yenkwa ye bretu ahodo mu a enne nipa bonfo bi a wonum ate se huruye mojampa wonum etiri mu da no wonum ewurawura yenkwa ye bretu yi mu ena wonum etu Galamsey mine ya na womu eye na wonum ekyerɛ study etwa wonum awokra no ene se mining company bi a wofra won se High Street Mining Company Limited yes se de Kakum National Park no ye no ewo efifi mantem no ene ye se de concession bi a hye won sa wo ho a wonum etu ni gidigide no nti no wonum kyerɛ be protest way empire de na wonum aso afra panyimfo ahodo ya eba nyamesom feku ahodo no mu a wonum ededa no ete se Christian Council Pentecostal Council and the Chief Imam Catholic Bishop Conference wo nyina se be ya wo betimi aboa amasa ha we say ya wanhwa ebeto da bi no ebeba be wie o my Ghana de hye so enam Kakum Park ya wo betu mine anasa wo be mine wo mu no nti no wanhwa nka bi mu asebe ya eto betimi atwa na o menso ye ho etimi atoyen panyi pa ya wono wo de wani kiremu ewo eye ekuoyi emu a wakasa edema wonum eye Raken Ashigbe wani sentrefo bonkomo yenkotie ne nsem ne bimra.
Well, I think it's the height of unpatriotism, is the height of irresponsibility of us as a generation, thinking that we should destroy everything that we met, not taking into consideration the fact that there are generations that are going to come. And one of the things I intend to do is to go and find out who are the directors behind even this company that wanted to do this atrocious thing. But I don't blame them. I blame us. And I wonder how all of us as civil society we sat down and allowed, government, parliament to pass this environmental protection, mining in forest reserves regulation 2022. How did that happen?
I was seeing the Payatin and K convener at the Media Coalition against illegal mining, Raken Ashigbe, and anything.
National Media Commission at the Ababa Tugase say Osha Ajuma broadcasters ewo memha ya church near Trentania Sua na nyoma akonkai ewo kana memha na sabre Osha kasafonyina hodo bi so a ene afasika bagisika loto eno na dwemtrani ema National Media Commission ono ene yaboadu ayabo afode Ababa Tugase TV stations ahodo be dunum ena sabre wodi sa dwuman as wanyai wo bejo nkrata fronsem na omo anya dwuma biem na sa TV stations ahodo yi ene Asomafo TV, Adwenepa TV, Eagle TV, Best TV, Energy TV, Diamond TV, X TV, Asumdue TV, Funny TV, Ene Advice TV, Big TV, Passion TV, and Kabom TV, Seekers TV, and Elephant TV, and the Akeka hon. Jumedia would dear for Sikabagisicano, and moi, Emma, and Quadacra in Suadia, every Casafonifo. Now, Abraham Teni, Emma National Media Commission, then some way to Gano, Yankutino.
The National Communications Authority, a campo, free, ye part the TNA actual Telegram and Coso, who already unity this one, and factor. And the telephone, I will be active. A month for be a television and I would see radio nabia bibi assembly ebe papa on preha on pa to game inti esha CBC no eno ho report any diaba enye kokobo say bold before ma Ghana for enyine ho say bia oma frɛ no so no say omo frɛ enye kasere mu no ana eka limom omo frɛ ye ni ba emere no bi eba ibedi ho ituma inti we dey the mama for who say near mama for e dey praying and e bi no ho ensam ye dey to dwa
Dwemteni Emma National Media Commission ya bodu ayeboa funa esi yepe ena Dwemteni Emma Independent Broadcasters Association sasa sunkwaso ekasa kakra.
After the launch, this is the new direction that we are heading. And I think we're part of the launch and we are seeing that something is coming out of it. It's good to see that there is some action of identifying actually these infractions. What we have done on our side, well, the release came yesterday. We have reached out to the NMC because one of the things that we indicated during the launch was we wanted to see exactly the steps of action that will be taken and the process. And also the parties who were involved in executing this process, that it is fair and very transparent and impactful. We're waiting for the NMC to clarify the steps for dealing with these stations based on the offenses, and then how we will be part and make sure that we and the GJA are also involved in making sure that this is done fairly at the same time. The other thing is on our part as GIBA, we have a code of ethics, and we will see that during the launch, it was actually a key part of what was mentioned to be used.
Dwemteni Emma Independent Broadcasters Association sasa sunkwa msne ena yikutie yeno.
Ebusia afeno wabeka ya ho ha ya Sompa TV multi TV decoder no so na wo hwe na wutie ye no brekro na wotie nka e wa santemantem kropomu a eye Sompa 93.1 and asunyane Sompa 98.9 and kranza ene ne potem so no eye Sompa 90.7 Facebook no eye Sompa TV Ghana, YouTube ya Sompa TV afi ye boa ensemfo from ye Rajon Dramani Mahamaya Wakita Franka de amachine manso aka amanyoko no eya ade a wono so de ento abobia hehye so e wo bro mantam ene bono epoye mantam na ewo ena wo kopie mu ewo ho no wode ensem bi etudwa efa ene abodi krata tumi e de be matichafo ama wadi mu se bia wotu kwankra kwa manone a ene atumi krata la hehye no anasa licenses no ebetimi akita wonom na edi omumu ye etimi aboa ama watimi anya adwuma no eno enti no ensohwe a wotwere ede fasa abodi krata yi ho ya watu ne din se teacher licenses exams no ye Rajon Dramani Mahama ekogina ho no wo concept dodo na ene de fa we ho ya senwumo eda yete ede freni ra no
ye mu dada licensure exams ye kan ho asem 2020 ye kan ho dada ye kan ho asem dada 2020 ento asumu se enye se wo hwe se colleges of education no ade a omo kire nkwada no enu pempens ebebia e wo se eduru a e wo se wo ye hu bibi na omutimi eye omo exams no mu pie eye den na enkwada on beba training college 4 years no mature exam afibia omo choro exam afibia omo choro exam eduru 4th year no mature final exam no more pass it ya pass e wi a chezo mo ye teacher for no waka say omo nsan be choro exam bibio ansa na maji omo tiri mo ye teacher for enti e dey say ya ba licensure exam no ye be ye free ho
aha say ya ba NDC amanyoko no licensure exams no wo be ye free officer achachefo ni bi wono wakotwera ya na wonsunu gujem da bia wakotwera no afeli eno kran so ye ntwere ne ko ye sisika obetua nsa no ye Rajon Dramani Mahama wono eye Franka kitafo edema NDC kire batan amanyoko no ene etie no
ya tuwa kasiane so na ya diamamo gas challenge quiz ekoso ewo nato pupudi mantam kropomu enkran na ho ana chief executive officer Emma Ghana National Gas Company Dr. Ben Asante editu gwa say ekwan ya yebefa so na gas no yebe yusu de afiafiem se de be ya enkofa wo haw eno oyone ebia ema no ntino na sayo nti eno hyehye saa quizi se de omanfo ebetumi asuamu ade na nyoma akonkan wodwumade na se no wabra chief executive officer edinsem atudwa no Dr. Benasante yintibi
Edikan Badamas say Munya say Majid Pebina Babwai you go to gas challenge. And no man about if I saw about gas challenge I say one most of the tertiary institutions, particularly those who participate in the gas challenge, are taking the oil and gas sector very seriously. We are seeing a lot of people. Before Ghana Gas, GMPC, NPA, Petroleum Commission, into gas challenging any other similar programs. I'm not for some awareness.
Chief Executive Officer Emma Ghana National Gas Company, Wabrana no esi yepe, and Vice Chancellor Emma University of Energy, Natural Resources, Professor Elvis Asari Bediakon, and so Eden Sambi Etugya say, and who be here as a sukufono, ya better to amuna empo, na yatisi bonten, ni asha said ye gas ye yusuno, a becon kai, na enkofo unibia Emma.
I don't say, yeah, can be STEM education, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, science, STEM education. Government of Ghana, say what the STEM education, target Minister of Education as champion. Science say, yeah, who say so mine be tumpo na STEM education and
Professor Asari Bediakon ono ene Chancellor Emma University of Energy and Natural Resources ne ena yikotie ye no.
Ebusia for ya toa ensem no so na ya boy ramu sa wo de wani ekiremo ewo bia sam amanyoko ye friend no MPP trefo ya wode ema won mo hoye Ivan Samoa wono esan ehwene so se ebrahye bedwa wonom abato anase wonom a wonom press akonwa no wobetimi akona nka wakwa akogire mu apretumi no bi nanso ye kase ya no oso ono a ene ka se obekọ nanso wanya nkọ ekura wasema kanso menweye na botayenti enam eso ema sa ginesie we say eba ye no wone yensentrefo ne yama ne bofo a wonom edi wobodwuma ewo mpotam wono so mpaka sefo etwetwe nkomo ede emu nkyeremu ede mayen
nche watifo say pipe no the share woman no ados me no ka say me na me no extrefo or consulting and last 4 years the media paying no account and the modern in your book not so any book to no jump from 5,000 to 10,000 plus and we drew so and I'm so we move through here and say and come to no then be so you know bank give and make and to me ama adiano atwaso nti and am nya far from so but we really upon consultation with the Paifobi, that is to say, that we free, that we improve, and come over here, the time here is so, say, let us see, the key, you know. Now, I will say, the day, maybe at all.
Abusia nipa yatene nkan eyera Ivan Samuel do ani chiremo ewa bia East MPP amanyoko ni dimu a wono ede ye trefo ede ma wono
Krobia Asante Kotoko hene Asante Mawura ede afutuo akwa manananom se eye nananom asade se baabi a wodi akonwa no wo bepri yedie ene mpuntuo ede ama wo mo na empokura nsase a wo tokura no wodi bebe ya japade se de be ya nchirima eso ebenya biem woto aso echiremu ese se wo hwe ombabi omu ede akonwa no a government appointees wo ho no eyo masade so okọ naso na wo bo won to tatata se de be ya mpuntuo bi esefata bia no obetumi aye bi ama wo mo se de be ya enwoma ebe konkai eye nananom asade se wo hwe se de be ya asanteman ebetumpon etrem akire se nananom a wo Ghana afana nyina yo masade se de be ya ombetumi akọ Flaster House na empokura no omaka omohiasem ede acho mampani na adodan kwakufu ado akọ pri yedie ani puntuo abre won krofo
ze monso ede ne ye Metia me who said an animal pe concrete call man penny or cocoa cassie and she pay. Airport ya is Yakaka crab near resist you or Yakoka Yakwakose. A quire more can ye chis can Yakwa can be. And you must see a way. Contract a man of contract will buy and yet never chose the man of contract now. For a near Brenozonia, then Nisika Yamfamano, what was an Amanakacho. And T. Monana no, yet natural knows one yet. Yansu ya said the NSA. But the answer your cocoa tea being you catch as a Nanampa and a second or compensation is Ken Ontinania. Yes, we have monocrony. Indeed, the ATA, Ume so young for one in the house is a Musumbetuana Mone, Yako, Naman Penino Safan. A diet here is a car come was here, the my inferior name for my original house is a year, the CCP, baby, I don't know dear than King. And here, what church, mammy, or won't mean try another. I was in a nanny in a Cosisicasem. Yet two ain't a delegation airport.
Nia wote ye otufo se tutu otosu mienu nyam kese asante mewura.
Yegina asem ne to asem ni nyina ensie fa aseda kese aseda kese enfama yero asante ye boa Benedict wono ne samfo panyin na aseda ne bi enkomo news crew ya wono e wo Sompa 93.1 Kumase kase dem afa Sompa 98.9 sunyane ekuanya ko abrono ma ene wo wade wede paper no e paso yeda wo mu nyina se mi wi amekọ ho mi ko sunyane
metesa atapokusi ya mona mane wede ko ma na maso
say what's wo mo sere permission mo sike permission
ne wo fase no ne kwaso ne kwaso
awade ne se wan fa ni nhira nta akira enhyeda nye yinti but abofke abeka se na wo so no mom ne ka kire no o mo sere kwa afiri nti na wo so no so ka kire no
wa tiase
enti one for responsibility obeti ase wo say akonta se kan no wo ho ono na akonta se kan sika na bedi abofke wonti no so obehwede yama no
and ojiwi ana kuma beto ne yem
me sure na we say be ma na oba be wale akuanso ne nsem wo bi nti no me sure say be ye embreputla bi
I just a refreshment bi be free sunyan abakuma
mizo ne 5G no ne ha sa tapoku de ne ye envelope kese de modu no obeje no ne hia no owi a mizo ne de wono bi dada I will see for yes, I say no na ye namu ase me dey do hene